We are live. Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne,
And my name is Manish.
and if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So, guys, today is a bit. We had some technical issues actually logging in, but let's see how this goes. I'm gonna share my screen today. Something interesting. Let me just share this screen. So this is actually a mining site because I think one of Manish previously posted asking, that we are looking for a cloud mining opportunity, and so there's this company called Nhash, right? So they have pricing and all that. Seems to be also in the UK. And what happened was that I was scrolling down and I saw, these are all their portfolio of pricing. If you invest $500 after 7 days of the contract, you get $30. You have they are mining Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, right? And look at Ethereum, $36,000. No maintenance fee in 4 months. You will receive $43,200, guys, and this is in US dollars. So I typed to the support, and this is what the support says. So I'm saying 36,000 US dollars, 4 months contract. Yes, she says yes, and then it's a fixed rate. Okay, for example, if you invest 36,000, total profit is 42. The profit payout is $350 daily, and then at the end of the 4 months, they give you back the 36,000 US dollars. So they also guarantee, yeah, guys. So I mean, there's a white flag. Number one, the website already itself doesn't look appealing. Number two, um, which I'll cover shortly, a bit of the investigation was that there's a tool that actually showed that these people actually just recently started, and they started heavily advertising on social media platforms as well as certain websites. So guarantee is another third word to, nobody can guarantee, when it comes to investment in the marketplace. So that's something you need to take note. But even further, they can even say that there's regulatory authorities like the FDIC. So this project is without any risk, guys. There's no project that is without risk. Okay, everything has risk. So I asked a bit more, and they were able to even give me a certificate. So it's quite interesting that they were able to give me a certificate. I actually downloaded the certificate. Let me see if I can flash it. Haven't had the time to look at it. So yeah, it seems. So they have the company number, registrar, N and H Technology Limited. I don't know. I mean, they're quite daring to do that, and they have been in business more than 5 years. And on the website, when you use a particular tool, it only shows that the website only has been up like a couple of weeks ago. So be very careful. Of course, I'm not making claims against this particular company that they are scammers, but I just want to point out that certain things, doesn't seem right. But ahead in the news, so there's this news that actually covered this particular NH cloud mining, right? So they went on to actually share a list of other, cloud mining contracts. Basically, they are scam. One of crypto's fraud operating today. An article in BNC, I think, managed to profile them. One of the latest is actually cloud mining scams, right? It surfaced this month. Nash.io actually joins them. Apparently, they like what this in this website. It actually talks that they have been operating for 3 years, but as you can see in my chat, they were in business for 5 years. So you can see there's a mismatch. Okay, let me go back to the news. So yeah, so in the latest, right, surface, basically there's a few things on how to actually spot, right? You see, so the ex-claimer claim, the physical address in somewhere in Nevada, this is one more issue that they have. Joe's was actually a shopping center. Page Miner was apparently based in Iceland. And people know generally that Iceland is very cold, so it's very good for mining and abundance of low electricity. You know, and what's this? And Hash claims is they are in London, location in Iceland, Switzerland, and Russia. So years in business. Yeah. So and some of them even go, when you go and actually check their about us, they will show their team members. You know, but these people don't even exist, and I believe this cool businessman was actually taken from a stock image library. So they actually paid for stock images and then put that as their company. So
It looks like a ad, no? Give me 30 seconds, I can make you rich.
exactly. So yeah, yeah, and okay, since HREF was a tool, they went to check backlinks, nothing at all, and they offered things like 100 408 guys. So I think the rule of thumb is if it's too good to be true, it probably is, right? um and yeah, great site. It gave a lot of things like Bitcoin, AMB crypto, live Bitcoin news, news BTC, Coindu, right? So a list. Look at the list of all the mining sites. So basically, there are official mining sites, guys. There are official mining sites. I have checked some of these, but they don't give this kind of returns. First of all, we will have someone coming on board. I think in maybe 2 Saturdays. His name is Peter Yo. So Peter Yo has been a local person, has been in this business, this trade for nearly a decade. So I contacted him just to get some snippets. And really to really have a data center to really purchase those devices can take about 10 months to a year to recover back just on the hardware alone. And not to mention the what's this the cost of the electricity right here in Singapore. It can be as high as $250,000, $250,000 a month. So why would anybody want to give you back so much of percentage when the cost of actually setting this business up and really making it work, and without even knowing the potential future of Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin prices, can be a really big difference between a profitable project or something that is not. So that's something that I wanted to cover in the news today.
Yeah,
Um,
it's a kind of investigation, no?
yeah,
We put a
yeah,
detective hat and then started investigating. Wow,
yeah.
this
To
one of the
really, yeah. I mean, because we were always, yourself and me, Manish, we were always looking for something more than 5%,
yeah.
which now we are getting from pooling, right? And yeah, so that seems to be a bit too lucrative. We did a bit of checks and bingo. Yeah. So
Finally,
yeah, so there are, apart from these guys, just five more Bitcoin scams. I'm not going to go into it, but at least from a high level standpoint, just note that one of them is the exchange of wallet hacks. So some of these are some of the biggest hack that happened in June 20, where hackers stole 1 million customers' email address and breaching the email database in the France-based crypto wallet. They managed to steal 9,500 customers and publish 242,000 of the customers' email to a hacked database. So careful with also exchanging your own wallets. That's why when we do the how-to videos, most of our wallets are masked out. The other one is social media scam. So social media scam, sometimes they do something called social engineering. They try to fish out information from you and they use that. So some of my friends who are also in the police force, they actually in recent times actually changed their actual name into some fictitious name on social media, as so that they are the people who actually protect the president here in Singapore. And so social media can be something that people will try to get information and use that for social engineering when they speak to you. So be a bit careful on your digital footprint, because you are being watched and giving out information here and there. People will actually spend time to actually piece the puzzle together. Another one is, yeah, social engineering scams, very typical. So mostly, sometimes even when people give me a call on the phone and ask me for my ID, I will first ask them what is my last digit. So they can claim whatever they want to claim. And if they say what's my, I will ask them give me my last four. And if they can give my last four, then I'll give them my first four, right? So sometimes you have to test back. Don't be gullible enough to give, because no government officials will just call you and try to, banks and whatnot. ICO scam is recent. So ICO is mostly in the crypto space. It's similar to IPO. Someone creates a coin. They tell you a very nice. Basically, it's all words, putting it nice presentation. Sounds good to be true. And then after you give your money into the investment, they run away. So there were many very good cases. You maybe in some future state we'll cover famous ones, right? Like Centra Tex and all that. One Coin also was a very full documentary that was covered on that. And the recent DeFi rug pull, right? By Titan. So of course, Titan is claiming that that didn't really happen, but nevertheless, there are cases of rug pull. So I mean, that's all I have, guys. Hope that just to kind of raise awareness on new scams that are coming up, proposing more uh, return on your investment. So be careful. Manish, that's all I have.
Yeah, yeah. So do let us know also that if you come across any scam, it'll be good if we can share with our audience as well, and we will be also aware. So if you come across with any kind of crypto scam, do let us know so that we can cover here in our live sessions.
Yep. Yep. Especially in Singapore, Manish, I think Crime Watch was covering a lot of old people being
Yeah,
scammed, and that's why the banks still will have a place, right? Because most of the baby boomers they don't understand this tech stuff of things, but they have a lot of money, and that's why the banks will survive. So
yeah.
Manish, that's all I have. Over to you.
So today I'm coming up with one more wallet, which is called Binance Chain Wallet. Similar to Trust Wallet, MetaMask, we have another wallet called Binance Chain Wallet. So let me give you a quick introduction about this wallet. Binance Chain Wallet is the official Binance cryptocurrency wallet for accessing Binance Smart Chain, Binance Chain, and Ethereum. You can use it to securely store your cryptos and connect to thousands of projects across different blockchains. So whether you're looking to swap BNB for other tokens, mint NFTs, or do yield farming, you can easily do it all with the browser extension wallet. The Binance Chain wallet currently supports Chrome, Firefox, and Brave browsers. So the first thing comes in our mind that we have many popular wallet. Why we should use this Binance Chain wallet, right? What makes Binance Chain wallet unique? So at a first glance, Binance Chain wallet looks similar to other extension-based wallets. There are, however, a few features that makes a bit different that differentiate a Binance Chain wallet from the rest. If you already have a Binance account, you can easily link it with your wallet with Wallet Directs. So that's one feature, guys. This feature saves you from copying and pasting address from transferring digital assets between the two. So mostly what happens is when you connect to your Trust wallet, you have to copy your from the receive, you have to copy the address, go to Binance and transfer over. But whereas if you are using Binance Chain Wallet, you'll have a full integrated API. You not even need to do a send receive, and with a few clicks you'll be able to do that. Okay, and you can also use your Gmail account to sign up with a wallet through a T-key. Means if you are using in a Binance login, whatever account you are using it, if you are using a Gmail account, you'll be able to use that and connect with this wallet. So you need not to maintain multiple accounts and password. So let's go through how quickly we can download. I have already captured some of the screenshots to explain you guys. It'll be much more easier. Okay, so in your screen you can see download the Binance Chain Wallet. This is a home page. I'll be able to show you also after this presentation. Simply pick the browser that you want to install the extension to. So if you go here, you will be able to find all the three browser extension code you will be able to download. Then you can also so yeah, you can use these three browsers to install the extension. Once you install the extension, you have to create wallet. Okay, so T keys is the, it's a kind of authenticator. You can use your Google login. Using that, you will be able to authenticate it. You will be able to log into your Binance wallet securely. So rather, you get a message in your SMS, and then you have to key in those things. You can avoid it if you integrate with this TK via G. Okay, so this is how the interface looks like. You have to create a wallet, continue with T key via G via Google login. So you can select this as you can see in a screenshot. Okay, then you can sign in using your Google login. Okay, once you sign in using login, then you can verify with the password, keeping your strong password just to recover the login. Okay, then you will see your Binance chain wallet seed phrase. Seed phrase is something that it's a kind of your private key to secure your wallet in case if you lost your, or you are changing your device, you lost your device, you want to use it, use the seed phrase to recover your login. Okay, so and one important message is you should never share your seed phrase to anyone. Okay, so
Mm.
once you click on a, you configure your seed phrase, copy paste and keep a backup of those seed phrase, continue, click on continue. Okay, so now similar to that trust wallet MetaMask, you will be able to log in your Binance chain wallet. So you can see here, and with one click you will be able to transfer the BNB coins. You'll be able to with one click you will be also able to convert into a Binance smart chain coin for your pancake swaps. You will be able to use it easily.
Mm.
So I think it's quite time saving kind of wallet if you are familiar with your Binance. So deposit BNB with Wallet Direct. Similar last yesterday, I have showed you uh, something called Wallet Connect. Here in Binance Smart Chain, there is a protocol called Wallet Direct, which connect with the Binance.com account with one click. Connect to Binance.com account uh, and verify, connect my address. Okay, once you verify this, immediately you will be able to connect it. Okay,
Mm.
so once it's connected, send and receive the BNB is also even easier. How you can transfer the BNB coins? It's very simple. Instead of sending send and receive, when you put on receive, it will give you a message that are you sending to your wallet direct. So yes, you will select your account, connect, and yeah, you can see here when you click on a receive, instead of getting you you have a two option, one is address and one is wallet direct. So address where you copy the address and send it over, so here you use wallet direct. With one click you will be able to send and receive.
Not
See
bad.
how fast you can transfer. So no need to copy paste. So those things you can avoid it. And sometimes when we see certain transaction is going on down, or if the market is low you want to buy it, sometimes your transaction takes time, right? To avoid those things, you can just click on wallet connect and you connect. You'll be able to send your money or send your coins here.
Mm.
So depositing from another wallet, I think I have already covered yesterday. If you are using to another wallet, then you have to select the BSC BEP20, and then you will be able to receive your information using your address or your scan codes. So this is similar what we are doing it for the Trust wallet. But one good thing which I want to highlight here is it has a great sync with Binance.com, and with one tap you will be able to send and receive the Binance coin. With one tap you will be able to convert into a Binance smart chain, so your transaction your speed will be improved. That's the one benefit I can see if you are using a Binance wallet. Okay, let me show you the famous wallets, what we have it in the what is the popular wallets we have it.
Very nice.
So
So while Manish
Yeah.
sets that up, join us live daily on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money and crypto, guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the videos. Manish, back to you.
Yeah. So you can see in the screen, I think most of us very frequently using Trust Wallet, MetaMask,
Mm.
but these are the wallet which is pretty good and underrated. One of them is a Binance Chain wallet, which I have covered today. So you will
Mm.
have a very good sync with your Binance. With one tap, you will be able to transfer BNB. One tap, you will be able to convert into a smart chain.
Wow.
So
When
yeah.
when was this wallet out, Manish? Just only, is it? Or long time they have this?
No, it's there from quite long time. I'll be
Very
able to
long
tell
time. Wow.
you.
Okay, that's something
Yeah, I think it was on May 2021. I think it's recent only. Yes.
recent. Maybe we should
Mm.
explore this.
Yeah,
Maybe
we
we
should
should
explore
explore.
it.
Yeah.
The reason behind it, since we are using all the Binance products,
Yeah.
it has a very good sync. When
Right.
you are sending a BNB, no need to copy the entire long address and paste it in your
Exactly.
another
Exactly.
wallet
And
and transfer.
sometimes, yeah. Sometimes I find I got too many things. Now I have like
Yes.
three
Yeah.
wallets, and I just want
Yes.
something simplified.
So it's just connect. It will sync up with the API, and then you will be able to transfer to your wallet. And
Awesome.
from that wallet, you buy it, Pancake Swap, Uniswap, whatever you want to do it, like how we are doing it with the MetaMask.
Awesome.
So
Okay.
it's ease our transactions time. It ease our lots of problems. It solves it.
Yeah.
Mm.
I think I will probably get on that.
Yeah. So I think we might. We probably explore, and we probably also create a how-to videos for our
Yeah.
YouTube channel.
Yeah. Thanks for that. So okay, guys, I'll just move over to see what's happening in the markets. Still quiet, guys. So we are still in the range 20. Looks like it's extreme fear. Actually, the market is moving sideways again for you guys. In the last year, you can see we were down somewhere between the greed index, right, and the fear was about somewhere between 10 to 20. We are still there. We are still there, but of course, over the period of time, sometime in August, we went up all the way to having a nice Christmas run. So we expect that cycle to happen again. So being here, let's see what happens in the next few months. Moving over to the stock market. Today is slightly a bit of a different screen. I just wanted to get an overview of the market. So the VIX is similarly to the crypto fear and greed index. The VIX is on the stock market. Um, no fear. Everybody is happy. Uh, Borrowing money and churning out products and services and making. But let's look at gold. Just take a quick look at gold. Gold is at 1,008. Silver is at $26 per ounce. Of course, crude oil is at 73, which was negative zero last year. Markets are slightly down. Not that it looks bad, but no, it's not. It's maybe a 0.35. Of course, in volume, that equates to a lot of money. Just to get an overview of what's happening in the marketplace. Moving on, so crypto again, we have 10,000 over cryptos, 381 exchanges. The market cap has not changed. We are at 1.3. With Bitcoin holding about 45% dominance in the crypto space and Ethereum at 17%. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin was down 2.58, Ethereum is down 5.86, USDT slightly up by 0.01, BNB is down by 4.06, Cardano is down by 4.06, XRP is down by 2.14, USD break even, Dogecoin down by 4.73, Polkadot down by 6.02, Uniswap is down by 7.60, and Solana is down. Broke below 30, Manish. So maybe a good opportunity again to purchase at
How's the
t-
cake doing?
29. Yeah, let's look at cake. Let's look at cake. Can I quickly search for this? Let's see. So pancake swap, 14 $14 today. Let's see what happened
Okay.
in the last 7 days. So at least we get a, yeah. So it will be between 16 to 9 to 13, $3. Kind of a $3 spread for 7 days. Of course, in the month, 1 month we had one which was really low at $11. I think this one makes me a bit hungry. Not 11, sorry, $10.15, right, in the last month. So if we get this kind of price, awesome to buy this. Of course, we have to correlate this price on the June 22nd to the BNB price. So we should have to,
Okay. If we get this $10 price, we
of
would
course,
love to buy
of
mine.
course, of course. But of course, we have to kind of get another BNB map. Maybe I might just do that map, Manish, maybe for tomorrow's show. Just getting the BNB map to see what happens on the on the 10. Because if BNB on the 10 is high and Pancake is down, then you because we need the BNB coins to purchase.
No,
So
BNB is the father, right? So
right.
this all based on a Binance Smart Chain
Yeah, but if
platform, the
BNB is
ecosystem.
$600 and Pancake is at $10, then you are paying our $1,000. You have to buy two coins.
Yes.
Ah,
So I think BNB from past couple of days it's below 350.
yeah, correct, correct. But it's nice so I will do the graph just for the visual representation
Yeah.
on maybe 1 month to see how they,
Market cap is quite decent
yeah,
down.
and dominance of course is there. So volume is of course high in the last, I think, 1 year. We saw that the volume started to come up, especially for Pancake, because I think when it go on Ethereum side of things, it's very expensive. Like I showed, using the recent swap.
The transactions are expensive. Yeah, and Uniswap also, if you see, the pricing is almost similar to PancakeSwap, probably $5 here and there.
Yeah, so we have to maybe take that into consideration and to see how much it eats away upfront before you start even to invest that. So again, looking at the 1 year chart, yeah, so 2x for Bitcoin, 7x. So I'm covering this daily. Like Dodge, of course, your $1 will get you 51x. Solana is at 3,000. Actually, let's see Cake, since we were talking about Cake. Let's see what happened.
Look at that.
19x. So your $1 would have given you 19 dollars, and yeah, 14. And like I said, if you see the chart, it only in recent time it went up. So I think that was the time where
Market cap 2.83 billion, and 24-hour volume is
million.
140.46 million.
Yeah. So it's good, and a lot of people are actually pulling their money. So something to take note, guys, because it's right now we are still in that low bear market. It's good opportunities to buy BNB as well as Cake. Again, this is not financial advice. It's what we are doing. It's just my opinion. Moving on to the technical charts. So the technical charts, again, bouncing. You can see a very nice wedge that I actually draw here. We still have support on the 31,000. Will Bitcoin break the 36? It's still left to be seen. Maybe we have another 5 more days to see what happens when the unlock happens. Maybe here in Singapore time. Yeah, we are actually in the future. So we should be able to see that in 5 days time. Volume, more sellers in the market, still low compared to the height of
But even if a more seller in the market, but price from past few weeks is quite decent, means consistent, means it's not so volatile.
yeah, it's channeling basically.
Yeah.
You're right. And it's a good time if you are trading to use Bollinger. Of course, because we haven't gotten down below 31, and you have a very nice range to play from 31,000 to right now. I mean the next ceiling will be 36,000. So it's something that you can look at. Again, it's not advice, but do check out some of our how tos and trade responsible. Yeah. Okay. That's all I have for this. And Rainbow, of course, recently for those who have not seen, so Rainbow currently now still talks about it's being still cheap. So we haven't moved the chart. This is a 10-year chart showing the trend of Bitcoin, and at each stage, what you should be doing seems to be good. So they have really deep dive these kind of algorithms that I myself may not even I'm not even equipped to really understand what is logarithmic non-linear regression of R2. So
Yeah.
I'm not the Einstein, but okay, whatever this is, it's just
Uh,
translate into where grandma
yeah.
and grandpa can understand. So I'm that.
Yeah. If you start translating this, then we need a quite mature audience here. Yeah.
No. Yeah, so I won't go in deep dive into this. Not equipped, but I'm sticking to just this. Last thing I have, I just wanted to share this before I hand over back to Manish, is the Bitcoin treasury. Is something that you can look into all the
Wow.
countries, private sector, public EFT that holds Bitcoin. But look at this MicroStrategy, which is Michael Saylor, is having worth $3 billion in today's market worth of Bitcoin. So he holds right now the highest in the world in terms of corporate companies as 105,000 Bitcoin, followed by Tesla. So he did not sell. He owns about 1.3 billion, right? 42,000. And then you have all the rest of the companies following down.
Think
So
it's just top five started selling all their bitcoins.
yeah, then definitely,
They are the
but
biggest whale, no?
yeah, to some extent, because you can see the percentage here. Even out of 21 million guys, this is nothing. I don't think all five selling it would maybe we won't drop to zero. So out of 100%, this is it. So there are people that are holding on outside of the public owned companies,
Yeah.
individual private investors. So yeah, so most of them are from the US, Canada, Japan. We have one from Japan, right? Again, see
8%, 0.008%.
eight, yeah, not even 1%. And yeah, Germany, we have one out of Germany. Australia, yeah, I hope to see maybe one from Singapore. Who knows? We'll see. Yeah, so that's all I have. Manish, over to you.
Yeah. Yeah, I already shared so all regular update about the setup pool because I want to share a live earning status based on our investment to our audience. So that's why at least for a few seconds I just wanted to give a glimpse how this thing is going. So yeah, our total investment 4,000 USD. We bought over around 276 cake almost 4 or 5 days back, uh, probably a week I can say. And we so far we earn around 3.89 cakes. We are planning to make it probably a 1 cake per day, and we want to hold it for some times. Let's see how it goes.
Yep.
We'll be keep sharing this information with you guys, and at the same time we have also configured and also invested in the farming liquidity pool. So the liquidity pool is based on cake and bnb, is one of the safest,
Mm.
and now we are about to hit a zero point 0.5. It's quite slow. The APR and AYP is APY is slow. If you see here, 365 days API is a 63%. Whereas if you go to pool,
Mm. The Manish is doing the comparison.
yeah. So if you go to pool, look at
Mm.
that, guys. It's
Mm.
almost double, no? It's
Yes.
103 API when we do a staking
Mm.
using syrup pool. So in a year we can get 71 cake for per thousand, and per thousand we will be able to get it around 4 cakes per month.
Right. So
So
you
quite
do the
decent.
math. You do the math. Basically, 1,000 US dollars get you 71 cakes. 71 cakes at today's price. Manish, what's the price today? $15.
15.5.
So 15.5 times 71. Let's say it's yeah, you get $1,000. So you get back your initial investment with 100 US dollars. Not too
Yeah,
bad.
you can see the pricing here.
Mm. Yeah. Not too bad. Yeah. So you put $1,000, you get back $1,000 in 1 year. It's double your money.
It's
based
double
on
your
his.
money.
Yep.
So if you
So
put 4,000, 4,000 will get it. So yep.
so I mean that's yet to be seen. It's just their private their estimates, and that's what we are looking at. So that's all I have. I see someone in the chat typing something profitable and ask me how to get started. Yeah. So guys, one more thing I just want to share. The only things that we are selling on our on in this whole thing is on our website and is our merchandise. Anything else we are not selling, and we are not asking you for any information. So if you see people commenting on our chats in our YouTube and promoting, that is not us. We are not endorsing any products, any services. This is pure financial, non financial advice. It's just more educational for you guys and what we are
Yeah.
doing and our opinions. So we reserve all rights, and you guys have to just trade, learn, and take your own risk.
Yes, so we publish content in a different ways in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We publish different kind of content, snippet, photo contents.
Yep.
Then in TikTok we publish around 1 minute videos. Then we have a YouTube where you will get a full live streamings where we cover our daily news, updated news, how to's,
Mm.
and then the market status. And we also have a playlist of how to videos. I think those how to videos are very informative. We really put lots of effort to
Mm.
come up with those how to's videos. Please go through it, and if you really like it, do share with your friends, like it,
Yep.
comment, and then do support us in a way.
Yeah, it won't cost you a second. It will just really just help the channel grow, and more inputs coming to us. We'll share with all
Yeah.
the best
And the
answers.
more you like it, comment it, YouTube and Google algorithms makes our videos more visible to many more audience. So yeah, do support us.
So that's all I have, guys. See you tomorrow, same time, same channel.
All right, okay. If you have any further questions, do let us know.
Take care.
Take care.